Today I'm going to show you all of the breakfast foods that I made for my little family. Hi, I'm Keilah Joy, a mama of 3 little kids. Join me as we explore housekeeping, homemaking, cooking, and all the beauty in everyday life. In 2 Corinthians chapter 9, it says, "Whoever sows sparingly will also reap sparingly, and whoever sows bountifully will also reap bountifully." And later it says, "And God is able to make all grace abound to you, so that having all sufficiency in all things at all times, you may abound in every good work." Making breakfast for my family has always been really important to me. Breakfast is definitely the best meal of the day. Today, I am making one of my favorite, Avocado Egg Toast. I always feel like boiling eggs is gonna take forever, but it doesn't. It takes like 15 minutes, and then I can get other stuff done while that's working. So go ahead and just boil some eggs to whatever consistency you like. Then you can get the dishes done, check out the beautiful morning air like Henry and I did. Go ahead and put those eggs into a nice cold ice bath. People say it helps them to peel easier. I'm not gonna risk it. I'm gonna do it every time just in case, because peeling eggs can be kind of annoying. Especially if they keep falling apart like this one did. My 2- and 4-year-old daughters snacked on everything as I made it, so they're not having the toast with us. Generously butter your toast. I know we're putting avocado on there too, but having the butter down first makes it so good. So butter generously, smash that avocado on there, slice those eggs, and go ahead and drizzle with sriracha sauce. And I love to sprinkle a nice flaky sea salt on as well. And I'm just smashing everything together for my 10-month-old. This one has been my favorite, chocolate cherry shake. Oh my word, I'm craving it right now. I need to go make some more. I'm gonna start out by actually cleaning out my coffee grinder. I utilize ground flaxseed quite a bit. It just has so many wide-reaching benefits: heart and digestive health, weight management, hormone balancing, bone health, skin health, hair health, anti-inflammatory properties, and you can add it to almost anything and not taste it, and it is super cheap. I normally just throw everything in the blender by sight, but I made sure to measure it so I could write it out for you guys, and you can go ahead and see the recipe in the description. Sometimes I add a banana for sweetness, a little bit more protein, and smoother consistency. I didn't today, but that's also a really great option. I added some chia seeds into Henry's and waited about 15 minutes, and it actually made it like a little pudding for him, and it was a little bit easier for him to eat and had some more protein. Wednesdays are very busy days for us, so I like to get something quick and easy going for breakfast. I love a good oatmeal that is just full of yummy stuff. Everyone likes their oatmeal a different consistency. I respect that, and so I just eyeball mine. To my oats, I add raisins, flaxseed, chia seed, some chopped apple. Then add your water and cooked until it is just your perfect cup of oatmeal. Sometimes I do cinnamon, but honestly this fall I am just adding pumpkin pie spice because it just adds some extra richness to it and it makes it taste so good. I cooked this on medium-low for about 10 minutes, stirring frequently. Add a big old dollop of butter. That makes it very rich too. Then I add some brown sugar and a nice pinch of salt. Then I'll go ahead and just set it at the table. Welcome all my kids in. We can eat, we can pray, we can talk about our day. The kids love yogurt on theirs. I prefer just a little bit of heavy cream. Happy Thursday! Every day, I usually start out by writing down the things that I want to get done. I have ongoing lists on my phone and in notebooks, but having it on the whiteboard helps me to see it throughout the day. I almost never physically check anything off, but being able to see it helps me keep my day on track. On Thursdays, I usually make muffins because number one, they're delicious and so fun to have, but also I always do a double batch, put half of them in the freezer so that we can have something quick but delicious on Sunday morning before heading out to church. That really helps the flow of the day. I'll usually also fry up some eggs, but having those muffins ready to go has really helped. I will include this muffin recipe in the description. I use einkorn flour because it is an ancient wheat. It's not as tough as whole wheat at all, but you sometimes have to play around with it. It's expensive, but worth it because it has not been genetically modified, and I feel like it's a healthier option for our family. This huge 2 dozen muffin pan you definitely need. Even if you only have a couple of kids, you need it. How often do you make just 1 dozen muffins? No, you need more. I got this pan from Walmart. You can check out the link for it below. Go ahead and take those muffins out of the oven and let them cool. We devoured these today, and then I just popped the rest in the freezer and we will eat them on Sunday. It's Friday and I am craving something savory and filling. I love like a good hash with some eggs on top, but I feel like my body appreciates more veggies than potatoes. Don't forget the onion. Even if you do not do bacon, the onion adds a lot of richness, and I almost always buy sweet onions because I like the taste of them better. So I like to load up with lots of veggies. It's so good. Today I'm doing zucchini, sweet peppers, and onion, and some bacon. Other times I'll add in some cauliflower and broccoli, green beans, really whatever vegetables you want. It's gonna be so good. Just keep piling them on. I cooked this on medium-low for about 10 minutes, stirring frequently. Then go ahead and cook those eggs. I tried to do them over easy, but I had my temperature way too high on accident. Then I just added those eggs on top and served with the coffee. Then I'm making my own recipe of pumpkin spice latte. Make your coffee however you want, and then go ahead and froth some half and half or some heavy cream along with some brown sugar and a lot of pumpkin pie spice, a lot. And then go ahead and froth that up, and it is so good. I've been having it a lot this fall. Some nice buttered sourdough toast would be good with this. Maybe some English muffins with jam. Thank you so much for subscribing. To see more recipe videos like this one, check out this playlist. Thanks for watching. See you next time.